How to make millions with pre-sale pages, a deep dive into pre-sale science. What is a pre-sale page anyway? Think of a pre-sale page as the warm-up act before the main show, like Tinder for your product. Instead of asking for the sale outright, you use this page to warm up visitors and get them intrigued before they ever see your actual sales page. A pre-sale page is a bridge between your ad and your offer. It provides valuable or engaging content like an article, story, or quiz that captivates visitors and nudges them closer to conversion. The goal is to turn cold traffic, people who don't know you yet, into warm leads who are curious and primed. A good pre-sale page will build initial trust, address objections early, create a smooth transition into your sales funnel. By the time they hit your sales pitch, visitors should already be eager and receptive. In short, the pre-sale page persuades the audience, setting the emotional and intellectual context, so clicking through becomes the natural next step. Step 1. Target their deepest desires gently. The first step in a high-converting pre-sale page is emotional connection. Call out your audience's pain points and paint a vivid picture of their desired outcome. Copywriters call this the pain and the dream state. Speak to their struggle. Describe their problem so clearly that they think, wow, this person gets me. That instant recognition builds trust. Promise the dream. Once you've stirred the pain, show them the light at the end of the tunnel. Agitating pain and then presenting a hopeful outcome. The classic pass. Pain, agitate, solution formula makes your message resonate. When readers feel like you understand both their struggle and their aspirations, they become eager for a solution. That's when your product can step in as the hero. Step 2. Write headlines that slap, grab attention. Your headline is your first impression. It must stop readers in their tracks and pull them into your story. A great headline does 3 things. Focus on a benefit, always answer, what's in it for me? Stir curiosity. Use the curiosity gap to give just enough info to compel readers to learn more. Be specific and bold. Use numbers, timeframes, or even negative angles to grab attention. Examples of headlines that slap. Why 97% of new investors fail at trading and how you'll crush it instead. Escape the 9 to 5, 3 secrets to retiring by 40, no lottery required. The shocking truth about XYZ that big companies won't tell you. The best headlines are clear, curiosity-driven, and promise a benefit. Above all, banish bland. Step 3. Stack trust like pancakes, build credibility fast. Online people default to skepticism. That's why a pre-sale page must stack trust signals until visitors feel safe. Testimonials and case study. Show real people achieving real results. Include names, photos, and specific outcomes for authenticity. Multiple trust signals can increase conversions by 40% plus. Authority markers. Use media mentions, client logos, certifications, guarantees, or statements like trusted by 10,000 plus users. Each element reinforces credibility. Think of it as a trust stack. Layer testimonials, proof, and authority throughout the page so visitors constantly see this works. These people are legit. Step 4, tell a Netflix-worthy story. Humans are wired for stories. A good pre-sale page doesn't just state facts. It takes readers on a journey. The classic story arc before, share the relatable struggle. Turning point, introduce your discovery or solution. After, show the transformation and results. This narrative creates empathy, builds credibility, and makes your solution more compelling. Customer stories work too. Use real examples and quotes to make it relatable. Storytelling in marketing has been shown to boost conversions by up to 30%. When people see themselves in the story, they're far more likely to act. Step 5, smash objections before they smash conversions. Every visitor has doubts. Will this work for me? Is it worth the price? If you don't address them, they become conversion killers. Tactics to handle objections, integrate answers into your copy, acknowledge common doubts, and resolve them naturally. Use an FAQ section, list frequent questions, and give clear, reassuring answers. Show more proof, share additional testimonials, case studies, or data that directly counter objections. Be honest. If something won't work in certain cases, say so. Transparency itself is a trust signal. Step 6, make it skimmable. Most readers skim, not read. If your pre-sale page is a wall of text, you'll lose them. Tips for skimmability: short paragraphs, 1 to 3 sentences. Bullet points and lists. Clear descriptive subheadings, bold or italic highlights, visual cues, icons, images, call-out boxes. Even if someone only reads your headings and bullets, they should still get the key message. Step 7, manufacture urgency ethically. People procrastinate. Urgency helps them act now. Classic urgency tools. Scarcity, only 3 spots left. Deadlines. Offer ends Friday. Countdown timers are powerful. And time-limited bonuses. Sign up in 48 hours and get a free bonus. Use urgency honestly. Real deadlines, real limits. Fake scarcity kills trust. Done ethically, urgency combats indecision and boosts conversions. Step 8. CTA like you mean it. Your call to action is the tipping point. Weak CTAs kill conversions. Strong ones drive clicks. Best practices: use action-oriented, benefit-driven text. Claim my spot. Start my free trial. Get instant access. Avoid bland. Submit. Make CTAs stand out visually. Bold colors, clear fonts, plenty of white space. Place CTAs strategically near the top, in the middle, and at the bottom, so it's always within reach. Add urgency or clarity nearby. Only 5 spots left or no credit card required. Your CTA should tell them exactly what to do and why they should do it now. Step 9. Test like a mad scientist. Conversion optimization is never done. Test, test, test. A /B test. The big stuff first. Headlines, CTAs, hero images, testimonials. Then test smaller elements, button colors, design tweaks, layout order. Isolate variables, change one thing at a time, and be patient. Wait for statistically significant results. Continuous testing compounds gains. Small improvements add up to massive increases in conversion over time. Quick recap, the $1 million pre-sale formula. Hit their pain and dream. Craft a headline that grabs. Stack trust signals everywhere. Tell a story they can see themselves in. Preempt objections. Make it skimmable. Create ethical urgency. Use strong CTAs. Test everything. Follow this formula and you'll have a pre-sale page that warms cold traffic and primes them to convert. Final thoughts. It's not rocket science, it's pre-sale science, and this isn't hype, it's proven psychology. Anyone can do it with empathy, storytelling, proof, and a clear ask. The effort you put into a pre-sale page pays off when your sales pages and funnels suddenly convert like magic. And don't forget, personality wins. Infuse your voice and humor into your pre-sale content. If you make your pre-sale page entertaining and persuasive, you'll stand out from the bland competition. Here's to creating pre-sale pages that not only convert, but make your readers say, yes, I'm ready.